It's me again. Bitches. You see, the only reason why I always come back, there's something in our community that is like troubling every man. Now you tell me your girlfriend doesn't smoke. Your wife doesn't smoke. The only problem is your wife is smoking. How come you went to church and you go to church every time, but your wife is marrying marijuana? Dah. How do you justify that? Because how do you know if your wife is smoking? Because you can smell the shit. You can smell all this shit. It's all about smelling a shit. Because if you don't smoke, they don't smoke but you can smell. Even if you are a pastor, you don't smoke, but you can smell something is wrong. It's like those guys who have two